What? Nobody can hear me in Teams. Come on, work already. The microphone is selected. Teams says it's there. Why isn't it working? Microphone's not working. That's never a good sign. The user already checked Teams settings. The correct microphone was selected. Let's see what's actually happening. Okay, Teams can see the microphone, but it can't hear the microphone. That's even stranger. Windows knows the microphone exists, but it's not receiving any audio. At this point, I thought it might be Teams. Then I thought it might be browser permissions or privacy settings. Everything looked correct. Wait a minute. Teams can see it, Windows can see it, Google can't see it? Something isn't adding up. That's when I stopped looking at applications and started looking at the audio driver stack. The strange part? This started appearing after a Windows 11 update. Every affected laptop showed the microphone installed, but useless. After exhausting the normal troubleshooting steps, I opened a support case with Lenovo. Their engineer pointed me toward a deeper audio driver cleanup. Turns out, parts of the audio stack had become corrupted. The solution required removing the Realtek drivers, Intel Smart Sound Technology components, and related services. After the initial cleanup, the first step is to open the device manager. Important. Do not click on the button circled in yellow or refresh device manager. If you refresh device manager here, Windows can reinstall the broken driver. Now open software components and delete these specific drivers or similar. Removing these corrupted layers is what finally allows the audio stack to reset correctly. Staying vigilant here is key. If Windows refreshes now, it'll undo our hard work. Next, open Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Before deleting, right-click each driver and head to Properties. Do this for everything in Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Check the Details tab and copy down any .inf file names you find. Once you have them, you can delete the drivers. Now search for Command Prompt and be sure to run as administrator. Almost there. These INF cleanups are the final hurdle to a clean slate. Enter the following command and replace XX with the .inf number you copied earlier. Now open System Devices and look for these specific Intel and verification drivers or similar. Check for INFs here too, delete the drivers, and run the cleanup command one last time. Then restart your system. Then we let Windows rebuild the entire audio stack. No manual installs, no extra downloads, just let Windows do its thing. Success! The microphone is working again. Microphone's back! Now, a new ticket? I can't open shared files from my manager. What?